Hey everyone, welcome back to Dyana Kitchen today. We're gonna make some delicious mouth-watering roast pork that's full of flavor and easy to make. First, you wanna make sure your pork is nice and clean. Then it's time to season it up for my seasoning blend. I'll be using some minced garlic for that rich, savory flavor, a touch of smoked paprika for color, and a bit of smokiness, just a pinch of jerk. Seasoning about half a teaspoon to wake up the taste buds, about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and finally about half a teaspoon of salt to balance everything out. Give that pork a good rub. So all those seasonings soak in, and trust me, the flavor is going to be unbelievable.
This world is loud and tempting, calling me to lose my way. But your whisper breaks the madness, pulls me from the dark and gray. I'm not made to blend with shadows, I was born for holy light. Teach my heart the art of warfare, on my knees I learn to fight. Oh, renew my mind, reshape my soul, break these chains I can't control. I won't bow to what fades away. This battlefield is where I pray. Not conformed, I rise above, transformed by your endless love. This is more than flesh and blood. This is war, and you're enough. Let me feel what breaks your heart, Lord. Let me see with heaven's eyes. Strip away my proud defenses, make my spirit come alive. Armor me with truth and mercy, let your word be sharp and sure. I don't fight for fleeting glory, only what will still endure. Oh, renew my mind, reshape my soul, break these chains I can't control. I won't bow to what fades away. This battlefield is where I play. Not conformed, I rise above, transformed by your endless love. This is more than flesh and blood. This is a war, and you're enough. Every thought I bring it captive, every fear I lay it down. Let your spirit be my compass till I wake.